Well, the workshop is directed to an audience who wants to lead in these hybrid times. These hybrid times have specific requirements when we want to make sure that our co-workers are feeling well, that our co-workers are well informed, etc. We will have a look at classic ones like leadership, feedback, and so on, but also we will incorporate new issues like how do I make sure that my co-worker is feeling psychologically safe? How will I tackle something which I called screen solitude? So you are in contact with someone, but it's only screen, so you miss that normal interaction which you have between people. How do I make sure that I get motivation on board, etc.? All those elements, and attached to that, we will also talk about, for example, how do I rearrange my onboarding? How do I rearrange trainings, etc., to make it all practical stuff to help you to manage your hybrid team. Where there are many, of course, the new normal, as we can call it, has some challenges in there. And if we look at statistics, we see, for example, that 60% out of the millennials and the Generation Z are feeling less well-being than 1 year ago. And this even increased to 67% when we add singles to it. So 2 out of 3 are not feeling that happy in the new working environment. This has to do with, as we said before, with screen solitude. This has to do with how we are managed and leading the company. So we have to look into that, and we have to make sure that we create an environment where people, despite the positive aspects of the hybrid working, can feel comfortable and can be productive.